Good morning, everybody. What do we have going on today? Let's see. I have a 2006 Mercedes SL 500. This just got shipped in from Virginia here to Ohio, and I am doing a coilover conversion. I'm removing the ABC, the active body control suspension. That is a hydraulic fluid suspension. If you guys have watched my videos, you know what I'm talking about. These suspensions fail on these Mercedes. They don't last forever. They're expensive to maintain. And when failure happens, it drops down. The front tires can catch the fenders and start bending it. It drops down in the rear. It wears down on the tires. It becomes a harsh, bouncy ride. You have a red ABC light that comes on the dash. You can't see anything else, any other information on your instrument cluster. Hydraulic fluid leaks all over the place. You have to get it towed away. You might be out on a hot date with your girl or your wife or your partner. And when it fails, you no longer can drive your vehicle, not safely. And then you have to get it towed away. So you drive a nice Mercedes and then you have suspension failure. How embarrassing is that? Super embarrassing. So if you're going to invest in one of these vehicles, and I say invest loosely, you need to make sure that you're purchasing it knowing that it has these issues and having a solution for when it occurs. And the best solution for these ABC suspension Mercedes are adjustable coilovers. In this case, Silver's Neomax.